just under 2 miles and the quick climb. Approaching from in front of us for the final pass. Cameras ready for the tactical pitch. Also will now set up to perform a max performance thrust to climb straight to the vertical, showcasing its exceptional power and capability. Final pass. The F-35 now repositioning for its final pass. Showcasing just a fraction of the aircraft move. Prepare for Freedom's Thunder on the high-speed pass. Fraction of the F-35 full combat capability as an integral part of the most capable Air Force in the world.
So improved by the substitution of the original Allison engine for the Rolls-Royce Merlin, the Royal Air Force absolutely instrumental in the creation of the Mustang, its entry into service. They used it with great distinction operationally in all sorts of roles, an aeroplane really deserving of its place at RIAT 2018's RAF 100 tribute. We'll be seeing the F-35A getting airborne again later to go off to display at the Flying Legends Air Show at Duxford, and we'll also be seeing the UK's Stovall short takeoff vertical landing F-35B variant in our number 617 Squadron tribute later this afternoon.
Well, while we've got a moment, Ben, just a reminder that I'm sure there are plenty of youngsters who'd like to go and meet the Red Arrows. Their next signing is at 1:30 this afternoon, but you'll need to move fast because you'll need to pick up a token to get to meet them. It's all in the Royal Air Force Experience area, itself a fascinating and really exciting place to go. But you'll need to pick up a token which will let 2 people into the signing, but if you don't get that in advance, you won't get in at all. So that's at 1:30, RF Experience area. Meanwhile, over in the Techno Zone, of course, in about 25 minutes, the next Innovation Live, a huge number of hands-on, exciting both maths, technical, electronic systems, all to have a go on. I can recommend the NATS Airfield Simulator to you with special interest. But right now, with more aircraft action, back to Ben.
Thank you. That was, of course, the unmistakable voice of Mr. George Bacon, who, along with Sam Waller, is joining us throughout the day. There's the Royal Air Force Grant Tutor getting airborne, not immediately to display, but to go off and hold to the north, complete with RAF 100 logo on the tail, and a stunning roundel underneath as well, which you'll see later on as the aircraft manoeuvres through its paces. The next aircraft already taking its place on the runway, and Warrant Officer Mike Palumbo is back with us to describe it.